Welcome to the Silicon Valley Creates applicant tutorial. My name is Lori Mitchell and I'm with the Common Grant application. And this is going to be a brief video showing applicants how to apply to the local arts grants. Currently you're looking at the dashboard. This is the page you land on after you log into your account. In order to log into your account for the first time, you need to register. You can register by going to www.commongranapplication.com and clicking on the green applicant icon. Or the Silicon Valley Creates website also has a link to the register and login page. When you're logging in, you're asked if you'd like to go directly to the application or to the dashboard. If you chose the dashboard and you're ready to start your application, just click on Start Draft Application. Multiple grant makers use the Common Grant Application site to receive and manage grants, so find Silicon Valley Creates and click on Select Program next to their name. They have 4 programs you can apply to. In the instance in this video, I've only opened up the Access application. But when you log in after February 2nd, there'll be a Start Draft app next to each of these programs. So there's Access Program, Advancement, Participation, and Preservation. So you will want to click on Start Draft App next to the application you want to apply to. I'm applying to the Access one for this video. I'm now in the draft application. You can see on the left-hand side there are tabs. These are all the different pages you need to go through in order to submit your application. Currently we are on the instructions page. These are important instructions written by the grant maker. Please make sure you scroll down and read all of them. At the bottom, the grant maker has also loaded up 2 documents they'd like to share. The budgets and notes. This is a template you need to download, complete, and upload later in the application. And then a report on previous grant. So if you received a grant in the past, you also need to complete this document. To access these documents, you just click on the document name. When you're ready to move to the next page, you can use the arrows on the right or the left to move forward and backward, or you can jump ahead a page by using the tabs on the left. If you've entered any information on a page and you use the arrows or you jump ahead, that information will automatically be saved. But if you're going to be entering a lot of information and you're on the same page for an extended period of time, I recommend clicking the Save button periodically. Some fields have a red asterisk. This means this field is required, and you cannot submit your application until you fill out all the required fields and upload all the required documents. If there's no red asterisk, it is an optional field. Some fields have a question mark. You can just hover over the question mark to read what's more information about that field. After organization contact, you're going to move to the organization background page. This page has a text field. Some browsers allow you to extend these text fields and make them bigger. So this field is requiring 400 characters. As I type, you can see the character count goes down, letting me know how many characters I have left. Spaces are included as characters. If you have the answer to the question, for example, if you have your mission in a Word document, you can also copy and paste it into this field. The next page is the board and staff information page, organization tax information, organization challenges, organization documents. I'm going to go ahead and move to this page and show you how to upload a document. So for organization tax determination letter, you click on the upload button. You'll then click on the browse button, browse your computer, click on the file, and click save. Then the document will be loaded to the application. There's also program description and program documents as well. So if I click on program media, I apologize. Program media allows you also to point to another website. So for example, if you have a video you want to share and you click on the upload button, you can enter a URL instead of uploading the file. So for example, if your video is on YouTube, you would just type the YouTube address, whatever the exact address is going to your video, and then click save. There will then be a link on your application going to your video. Then you move to the application information page, the amount you're requesting, and if you've been previously supported. The last page of the application is actually the Preview Check Application page. This will let you know if your application is ready. I have a big red Not Ready for Submission. Clearly, I did not fill out all the required fields and upload all the required documents. Below there is a reasons table showing me why I cannot submit my application. For example, on the organization contact page, I did not fill out my first name. It is empty. I can click on organization contact here or here and go back to the page to correct it. Every page has the preview check application link on it. You can click on it and come back to this to see what else is missing. If your application is ready, no matter what page you're on, the Submit Application green button will be lit and you can click on it there. If you happen to be on the check application page, you can just go to the arrow to the right and go to the next page and click Submit. Once you submit your application, you will receive an application number on your screen. You will also receive an email confirmation letting you know your application was successfully submitted. You can also find a copy of your application under your Grants tab. You do not have to finish this application in one sitting. Every page has a pause button. If you click pause, you will go back to your dashboard. You can log out in the upper right-hand corner. When you log back in, you have a resume draft application and an exit draft application on your dashboard. If you click on resume draft application, you go right back into the application where you left off. If you click exit, you remove the draft that you're working on, but you will not lose any information. If you click exit by accident, just click on Start Draft App, click on Silicon Valley Creates, and go back into your draft application. I mentioned when you submit your application, you can find a copy of it under your Grants tab. That is the tab on the top on the blue bar. If you have any questions for the Common Grant application, please do not hesitate to contact us. Good luck with your application.